welcome back to another video. Now, this past week was my birthday on October the 3rd in Australia, so for some of you Americans, October the 2nd, but October the 3rd was my birthday, and if you don't already know, recently I moved to a different city, and sadly me and Shannon are pretty far away from each other, so that's why I haven't really uploaded a lot recently, and I haven't been watching our weekly Barbie movies, and it's been hard to keep up our channel because obviously our channel and our Instagram are co-run, and like we post our separate things here and there, but what's really made it get active this year is us being together. We're still figuring out ways to make it work and still keep uploading for you guys because we just love keeping our channel alive. We've loved making videos, and we've loved like all our edits we've been making and stuff, so we are going to try and keep everything alive, but it has been hard, and I know it's going to be hard, but we're going to keep trying because we really love our channel. We love the growth so much. We recently hit, last time I checked it was still 100 subscribers, it's like 102, so thank you guys so much. We really do appreciate it because we put so much work and effort into our videos, even if it doesn't seem like it. Like, the videos we film together typically take like a whole day to film, you know, between getting the stuff ready, getting the ideas, actually executing it, and then like days, and then like afterwards it takes days after to edit everything. And I mean, we enjoy it so much, but I just really appreciate everyone that subscribes and likes and comments and everything. Like, we appreciate it, you know, it's like people noticing our hard work. Anyway, so it was my birthday and I've recently moved, and I don't have any of my dolls with me because I've moved into a really small apartment. As it is, I'm actually filming in my kitchen and I put my blanket up behind me because I don't have any good lighting except for like my one window in my kitchen, and I don't have any good background at all in my house. And with that also, I just had to put everything in like one suitcase and come up here. Which meant I couldn't fit like any of my dolls in because I just didn't have space in my suitcase because I had so much other stuff I had to bring that I actually needed for my home and my living. And you know, like I don't know how long I'm going to be in my current place, and if I'm going to be moving around a lot. And the thing was, if I'm moving around a lot, I didn't want to bring my dolls, and I miss them so much because as you guys have seen this year, I've bought a lot of new dolls, and I've just been like majorly collecting this year, and so I really do miss them a lot. But that being said, so I did bring my one dream house adventures Barbie. That's the only doll I had, or I did have until my birthday rolled around this week, and I got a huge parcel in the mail, and inside of this parcel was, can you guess it, a doll. It is a walking Bratz Sasha! Look how huge this box is. It is so big. I love her so much. I actually was like gonna buy this for myself before I left my old home, but because like when I moved I couldn't buy any dolls for ages because I had to save all my money living. I'm so happy to have her, and I mean, look at her, she's so pretty. This box is huge, and she's my second new unboxed Bratz this year. I'm like second for years. I was excellent in my on ice video, and she's a Sasha. If you don't know, Sasha's my favourite Bratz doll, so I'm overly mean to have her. Like, I was so excited when I opened up the parcel and she was in there. And like, I remember when these came out, it was just like the coolest thing, like the first time Bratz did walking dolls. The box is really huge. She doesn't come with like all of like, she doesn't really come with any accessories, it's just a doll that she's wearing. She's got some shopping bags she's holding, and of course her gorgeous dog. And back, so there's a picture of Sasha and says Star sighting, catch a glimpse of her between the shopping stops with her best friend, which is of course Peach. I was so excited. So, oh wait, before I open it up, I was just show you. Look at this Barbie card that Shannon got. She got me a little bit of, she got me a Bratz thing and a Barbie thing. We always try to like do that, get a little bit of like everything anything they like for birthdays, and the most important thing is having something Barbie. So I love this. It says, "Hey beautiful, it's your birthday." Thank you so much, Shannon. Alright, let's open my Sasha up. We got some stuff on the bottom. Let's see what it is. Okay, so I have a poster for these cute dog toys. Not Bratz related, but still very cute. Some instructions and then we and a poster. Yes! Oh my gosh, I love it. Here is the poster of Bratz and Sasha and her puppy. I actually love this picture on the back of the box, and I was like, I have to cut that out and keep it, and I did because I have it in poster form. I love this. It's so cool. It covers I've got a dog ring. So open. And I got her shopping bags free. She was keep on the one. There's like some paper inside to make it yeah. A little bit more stuff. Okay, so the dog's fully free. And it looks like the connection is like a connection into Sasha's like hand. So this will help the dog when I like eventually put batteries and put batteries. I have to put batteries but I don't have to put them in Sasha's.
One hour later.
Okay, yeah, she is free. So she's gonna so annoying. So they made a coffee cup to go with it. But the lid pops off. Like, I can just tell it's gonna get lost so easily. Great, to put that away. Anyway, yeah, she is. Now, I'll try to show some details I got her. Some gorgeous makeup. Just gold with ears. And some cute shades. Just like my thing. And she's got some really nice hair. It has like these red brown streaks through it as well. It's really pretty. And then she's got a dark shirt on, some check vest, some purple sparkly jeans, and these big brown boots. Now the big brown boots are for the dog. So I'm going to take a break and look at the instructions on how to get this girl and her dog to walk. I just took the last band a list of time to the coffee cup so she can hold it without losing. So then it's the other way to actually stay on. That's better, don't know about it there. Okay, finally I got it to work. It took a while because since I'm in a new house I don't have like a screwdriver or anything because it's kind of like the last sort of thing I buy since I didn't really see that I would need one, except for dolls. Okay, so the on switch. Oh, like she has like little wheels underneath and you can feel them. Okay. I don't know how to show you. This is back. Because I was just using the TV remote batteries. And I forgot to buy new ones today, but it was working like a second ago and now it's not, and so I suspect that maybe the batteries were a bit like dying. So unfortunately I can't show you how she walks, but she has wheels. Oh, okay, like she does have like wheels underneath here, like a muse. So like what it should do is she should like go like shh, and then the dog should like and then move together. Supposedly. If I can get a clip of it before I finish filming, like if I can buy small batteries before I intend to edit and upload this, then I will include a clip of her actually walking, but like I don't want to wait like weeks and finally get batteries and then upload it. Because I was supposed to get batteries today and I completely forgot despite going out the house. But it was so annoying. It was working like 5 seconds ago and then I don't know. Sorry about that, guys. But anyway, as you can see, Sasha, we got her dog, and we got Sasha, we got her little shoppers here, her little hanger for a coffee, and there we have the walking Bratz Sasha, but she's really cool. I really loved her, and I'm so thankful to have another Sasha and to have my first Bratz in my new home. And yeah, she's really cool. So hopefully I can get a video of her actually walking. So I would love to show you that. But she is really pretty. I love her hair. It's one of my favorite features on her because her hair color is so pretty. Like, look at those red streaks. Alright, so that is it for the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. We are trying to keep some more content coming on our channel. If you have anything you want us to do, please feel free to always suggest videos to us. If we can do them, we will. And thank you guys for all your support throughout our channel. Again, thank you for 100 subscribers. We love you guys so much. Peace!